Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of a right angle triangle. Okay. So first consider right angle triangle. Okay. Let us consider right angle triangle ABC. Okay. So draw a right angle triangle ABC is a right angle. Right angle triangle. Okay. Okay. Again. So equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of right angle triangle. It is given in the question. Okay. So on the side AC, one equilateral triangle is drawn. So let it be APC. Okay. That means AC equal to PC equal to AP. Okay. On the side BC, again one equilateral triangle is drawn. That means let us consider BQC. Okay. So side BC equal to side BQ equal to side CQ, and on the side AB another equilateral triangle is drawn. Let us consider it as ARB. Okay. So that means here AB equal to AR equal to RB. Okay. So equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of right angle triangle. That means three equilateral triangles are drawn on the three sides of a right angle triangle. Okay. We have to show that the area of the triangle on the hypotenuse. Okay. That means area of triangle on the hypotenuse. So required to prove. So what we have to prove is we have to show that the area of the triangle on the hypotenuse, that means area of triangle APC equal to sum of areas of triangles on the other two sides. That means area of triangle ABR plus area of triangle BCQ. Okay. So we have to show that area of triangle formed on the hypotenuse equal to sum of areas of triangles formed on the other two sides. Okay. This is required to prove. So given condition is triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So proof. Okay. So we know that area of an equilateral triangle. So suppose if we consider an equilateral triangle with side A, okay, which is side A, then area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 A square, where A is the side of triangle. Okay. So this is the formula. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. Okay. So now here area of triangle formed on side AC, that means area of triangle APC. Okay. Area of triangle APC equal to, we get root 3 by 4 A square. That means each side is AC equal to PC equal to AP. So each side we consider as AC. Okay. So 1 root 3 by 4 AC square. This is area of equilateral triangle APC. Again also area of equilateral triangle ABR. Okay. Area of triangle ABR, equilateral triangle ABR equal to root 3 by 4 A square. That means A value is AB. Okay. So root 3 by 4 AB square. Similarly area of triangle BCQ. Okay. So area of equilateral triangle BCQ is root 3 by 4. Okay. So root 3 by 4 BC square you can write. Okay. Now triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay. Since given in the question, triangle ABC is right angle. Okay. So in triangle ABC, so if we apply Pythagoras theorem, then AC square equal to AB square plus BC square we get. Okay. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Again, if we multiply with root 3 by 4 on both sides, okay, then root 3 by 4 AC square equal to root 3 by 4 into AB square plus BC square. Okay. Left side and right side, both sides we are multiplied with root 3 by 4. Okay. Again, it implies that root 3 by 4 AC square equal to root 3 by 4 AB square plus root 3 by 4 BC square. Okay. So multiply this root 3 by 4 to both the terms. That means root 3 by 4 AB square plus root 3 by 4 BC square. Okay, it implies that root 3 by 4 AC square, that means root 3 by 4 AC square is area of triangle APC. Okay, area of triangle APC equal to root 3 by 4 AB square. So it can be written as area of triangle ABR. Again root 3 by 4 BC square, it can be written as area of triangle BCQ. Okay. So this area of triangle APC. Okay. So triangle formed on the hypotenuse. Area of triangle formed on the hypotenuse equal to sum of areas of triangle formed on the other two sides. So hence prove. Okay. The next question is prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on the side of a square is half the area of equilateral triangle described on its diagonal. So let us consider a square. Okay, so ABCD is a square. Okay, so ABCD is a square, and each side of A units. Okay, each side, all three, you know that square means all sides are equal. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD equal to A units is considered. Okay, so we have to prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on the side of a square. Okay, so let a equilateral triangle is drawn on the side AB. So let it be APB. Okay, so let APB be the triangle drawn, equilateral triangle drawn on the side AB. So that means AP equal to AB equal to BP. So all sides are A units. Okay, so we have to prove that. So area of the equilateral triangle described on the side of a square is half the area of equilateral triangle described on the diagonal. So AC is the diagonal of the square. We know that length of the diagonal is root 2A. Okay, so if we take AC as a side and we draw a equilateral triangle. Okay, so let AQC is the equilateral triangle drawn with diagonal. Okay, so that means AQ equal to CQ equal to AC. That means all sides are root 2A. Okay, so okay. So we have to prove that area of equilateral triangle APB is half that of area of triangle AQC. Okay, so required to prove that area of triangle APB equal to half that of area of triangle described on the diagonal. That means area of triangle AQC. This is required to prove. Okay, so proof consider. So we know that area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, so the area of triangle APB equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Now similarly area of triangle AQC. Okay, similarly area of triangle AQC equal to root 3 by 4 A square. That means your side is root 2A. So we consider root 2A whole square. Okay, so root 3 by 4 into root 2 whole square is 2. So it means 2A square. Okay, so if we take 2 to the 4, okay, root 3 by 2 A square. So this can be written as, okay, now we got that area of triangle AQC equal to root 3 by 2 A square. Okay, so this can be written as 2 into root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, or without the cancellation also we can write this. Okay, take this, bring this 2 to the front side. That means it can be written as, okay, 2 into root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, so 2 into root 3 by 4 A square, that means area of triangle APB we got. Okay, 2 into area of triangle APB. Okay, so area of triangle AQC equal to, we got 2 into area of triangle APB. So this 2 comes to the left side and gets divided with the left side term. That means half of area of triangle AQC equal to area of triangle APB. Okay, so area of triangle APB equal to half of area of triangle AQC. So this is the required proof. Hence proof. Okay. Thank you for watching this. By this we have completed our 8th chapter. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.